What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to tag someone on your Instagram story so that when somebody can click on it, they will go to the profile of the person that you tagged. So once you have your Instagram app opened, you're just going to head over and create a story like you normally would. If you don't know how to do this, just go to the home page and then swipe right, and it's going to take you to your camera where you could just create a story. I'm just going to screenshot this black screen here just for the example. In order to do this, you're just going to tap on the screen as if it's just a normal text. And then you're going to hit the @ button and then type in the person that you want to tag. As you're going to see right above the keyboard, it's going to come up with the names and start coming up with suggestions. I'm going to tag one of my favorite artists here, Famous Dex, just to tag him in the story. And as you can see, once you tag him, there is a little line under it. I'm just adding some color and effects just to show you that it does work no matter what color and effects you add. It actually probably works better if you add some color and effects. Just going to type a traditional "let's work" and make it look like a cool story. So if Famous Dex does see it, he will want to work with me. I'm going to post it onto my story now. And then as you're going to see, I'm going onto my story just to view it and show you the example that it is on my story and it looks exactly how I played. It has some weird special effects, so it's kind of hard to tap on it. But you could see once you tap on it, it comes up with the profile itself. And then you could tap on it again and it will take you to their profile. So that is essentially just how you tag someone on your Instagram story. If you were confused or you had any questions regarding this tutorial, be sure to comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Da 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 da